Hello, beautiful people. So, it's another day here at my cooperating school as a field study student. As you can see, the learners are doing their task while we are quietly observing at the back. Kami po muna ay nagdodokumento. A few minutes had passed nang kami po ay mapag-utusan na dalhin ang isang papeles sa principal's office. Of course, we made sure that it should be the three of us. Just kidding. Napagdesisyonan po talaga na kaming tatlo ang magdadala nito. At syempre ay amin ang tinatahak ang daan patungo sa aming paroroonan. After we came straight from the office, kami po ay bumalik na sa pag-oobserba. At ito po ay tuloy-tuloy na hanggang sa dumating ang oras ng pagtatapos ng aming duty para sa araw na ito. Here are some ganaps habang aming binabagtas ang daan patungo sa labas ng eskwelahan. But before that, it was just an amazing day. Thank you for watching.